Today is a special day because we are gathering people from different sectors, from different backgrounds, and we hope that today this will not just be a discussion that stays in the meeting room, but it also extends way later after, as we plan to achieve community resilience together through this discussion.
Informasi seperti ini itu perlu banyak disampaikan kepada konsumen juga gitu loh. Jadi adanya EUDR atau apakah yang akan dilakukan oleh para petani dan apa yang diusahakan oleh Sureko bersama BMKG dan badan-badan lainnya itu perlu banyak diberitahukan kepada konsumen.
We really have to rethink and reconsider how do we build a system and a supply chain that works for everybody. And I think lots of people earlier in the discussion said, okay, why do farmers, why are they not rich?
Adaptation action must be pursued with people on the ground, especially vulnerable groups and communities. We need to work together, the farmers, governments, knowledge producers, the donors, development partners, the private sector, to ensure that our solutions to the climate problem will respond to the needs of these specifically vulnerable communities.
Our biogas technology can be one of the technology of the climate change mitigation and adaptation, and how this technology can be scaled up.
Ada banyak inisiatif ya yang bisa saya manfaatkan untuk bisa saya bawa ke community supaya upaya-upaya, usaha-usaha yang telah dilakukan dengan masyarakat itu bisa di scale up, bisa lebih dioptimalkan sehingga hal tersebut bisa lebih bermanfaat bagi masyarakat, baik itu secara environmentally maupun secara economically.
Banyak pengalaman-pengalaman baru, informasi-informasi baru yang semestinya harus diterapkan di setiap lembaga, di setiap instansi, di setiap organisasi petani, sehingga programnya dapat berjalan sesuai rencana dan petani semakin berhasil dan semakin berkembang.
So do what you like and just continue working on improving 1% every day. This is what we did last 10 years, and then we continue next 10 years.
You come to Bali to try Bali coffee. Now this is the future of coffee. Instead of spending all our energy trying to export the coffee, let's bring in the people. Not only this is considered sustainable tourism, consuming what is around us, but also for the farmers. Now they have a customer base that comes very far to try their own coffee.